Hello everybody, my name is David from Santa Clarita Auto Sound, and today I want to show you this 2024 Harley CVO. We took out the original Rockford Fosgate system and some aftermarket audio equipment, and we put in a really nice Hertz audio SPL speakers with a sound digital amplifier and an S8 Hertz digital signal processor. This audio setup sounds very loud and clear. If you want to get your sound systems making it sound loud and clear, come by to the experts. That's Santa Clarita Auto Sound.